Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we have today. The main issue at hand is creating a BarMark with a cross-hatch pattern in a SwiftUI project. Our dataset consists of tuples containing a date in a double value. We've already set up a basic chart displaying this data, but now we want to enhance the visual appeal by adding a specific cross-hatch pattern to the BarMark. Now, moving on to the solution that will bring our BarMark to life. The key here lies in utilizing an ImagePaint as the foreground style of the BarMarks. To achieve the cross-hatch pattern, we need to create a pattern image. This image should consist of diagonal lines forming the desired cross-hatch design. The code snippet provided gives us a clear idea of how to generate this pattern image using a combination of filled rectangles and strokes. Remember, this pattern image is crucial for achieving the desired visual effect in our BarMark. Continuing with the solution, we now have the essential pattern image in place. The final step is to apply this image as the foreground style of our BarMark. By using the .foregroundStyle.ImagePattern modifier, we can seamlessly integrate the cross-hatch pattern into our BarMark. Once this step is completed, our BarMark will proudly display the unique visual element we've created. It's amazing how a simple addition like this pattern can elevate the overall look of our chart. To wrap it up, we've tackled the problem of creating a cross-hatch BarMark in swiftui-charts by leveraging image patterns. By following the steps outlined, you can enhance the visual appeal of your charts and make them stand out. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch your charts come to life with this cool cross-hatch pattern. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!